Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So for today, I finally got like a small update from YieldMax and the SEC dumpster. So there's been a quite good stuff coming out, including YMax and probably YMag pretty soon, and it's pretty hard to keep track of everything. And I just want to say that none of this is official yet. These are still technically an older SEC document, so there's no guarantee. And it's not that big of a surprise. I've covered this before in previous videos, so you can check that out in your own time. But what's interesting to note is that this is only the summary prospectus, and this didn't include any of the other ETFs, like for example, KWBY, XBIY, or YTLT. So I'm wondering if they're going to plan to trickle this out slowly. And what's interesting here is this was dated January 18th, so this is pretty somewhat recent, but it's still like older document, and this still has elevateshares.com. And I looked on the website just to see if maybe they had something updated, but they didn't. So I'm gonna consider this still pending. Like I guess like to me, nothing is final until like I see it trading on my like I see the ticker symbol on my trading platform. So nothing too drastic here. So it's the same expense ratio, so 99 basis points, and it's the same strategy, so nothing crazy here either. Still a synthetic long with a covered call, and it's the same names. So nothing out of the ordinary here. Although I would say like this is a nice change of pace, because instead of a single stock, this is like a group of stocks, so it's sort of like a covered call and a on a pre-existing ETFs, and there's also potentially some diversification. So it's also nice to see like there we'll have like something else hopefully pretty soon. Again, like I didn't see any Twitter update or anything like that, and I didn't see like the full prospectus, so this is kind of interesting. So anyway, I hope you like this. Any subscriptions are welcome. As you know, like reading the SEC documents is hard work, and sometimes it doesn't pay off. But I guess like today was a minor win. Finally got like a yield max or defines update. So hope everyone made some good money this week, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.